again to my YouTube channel. Yes, guys. Let me welcome you guys officially to the month of December. Happy new month, guys. This is 1st of December and it's a beautiful morning at 6:26 a.m. this morning. I just woke up. I said let me prepare something for the house, as in for breakfast this morning quickly, because there's some people leaving very, very early to their activities. Like my siblings and my mom, they're all going out very early, so I need to prepare some things for them. So guys, come with me. Yeah, guys, this is our cottage. This thing is I just put it on fire now. So guys, see how gracious this is. Yeah, just finished making it. It's boiled egg. So let's have fun, guys. Yeah, let me enjoy this meal. Now it's very hot. Guys, I'm so tired. I've been working, doing small choices in the house. Well, I'm done right now, so I want to freshen up and get prepared, because later in the evening, I don't know, this Igbo tradition, there's an Igbo tradition that some people that are Igbos will know what I'm talking about. Like if a new baby is born, women say when a new baby is born, women come to like the community women, they will gather together, they will sing, dance, then you have to gift them for some, I don't know, but it's just like a ritual you do, you understand, normal thing, they'll celebrate. So I'll read all those things, you still see what it's all about. Yes, so it's going to be later in the day, in the evening. So let me just quickly go and freshen up and prepare our little baby sleep. Let me show you guys. Let me quickly show you guys. Yep, it's our baby. He's sleeping. Oh, I've woken him up. Okay. So guys, let me quickly freshen up, then prepare for other things. I'll get back to you guys. Peace. Yeah, as you can see, I've freshened up. It's afternoon time right now, and my sister came back. I even forgot I was supposed to do samosa. I want to do samosa and spring roll with zobo. So I'm preparing stuff. She got some things which I'll just be showing you guys along in the video. So I want to quickly make it because I'm already cooking porridge beans for afternoon meal. So I have a lot. Just watch me as I do everything. So guys, as you can see, this is the zobo. I want to wash it and I don't know whether you guys can see, but I want to wash it right now. As you can see it, let me wash it and get it ready for boiling. Guys, I've already washed my ginger, so I want to put it now into this pot. Then wash the zobo and add it inside. I don't have any fruits right now. I don't have any fruits to add to this zobo, so I'm going to do a very just a sweet plain zobo. So let's just see how it goes. So guys, this is the quantity of zobo I want to do. It's in a very big pot. So let me just put it into the fire or onto the fire. In fact, English is a struggle. So guys, this is zobo. This is our zobo. So guys, I got this chicken breast at ShopRite. It's been in the fridge, so I want to use it for the samosa and spring roll. Yes, I just want to boil it now, then shred it with the carrot and cabbage. I just want to make it unique, so let's get. Need to wash it. Our samosa is fine. Yeah, samosa is fine. Now beans too is on fire. I have a lot cooking. See the ones that are fried out. See, some of them are fried out.